In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login or portal link in HoneyBook. If you're using HoneyBook to manage your projects and client interactions, you know how crucial it is to provide your clients with easy and secure access to their project details. Creating a login or portal link is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step to make sure you can do it seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to log into your HoneyBook account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, and once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by your HoneyBook dashboard. From here, navigate to your projects area. This section holds all your client projects, organized for easy access. Choose the project associated with the client you want to share information with. Within your selected project, direct your attention to the top right of the project window. Here, you should find an option labeled either Client View or Share Portal. Clicking on this option is your gateway to generating that essential client portal link. This link is a unique URL that includes your HoneyBook domain, and it essentially grants your client access to their specific project information in a secure environment. Once you've clicked Client View or Share Portal, you'll be presented with the client portal link. Carefully copy this link. You can trust that it includes all the necessary components that enable secure client access. However, before sharing it, consider making it more user-friendly by shortening it with a URL shortener if you prefer. The final crucial step is communication. You'll want to send this portal link directly to your client, ensuring they can access it smoothly. You have a couple of options for how to send it. The link can be emailed to the client, or if you maintain a different line of communication, such as a messaging app, that works just as well. This client link is their key to viewing all necessary project details, documents, and any other information you've made accessible. Remember, your client may have questions when they first use the link, so be prepared to offer guidance if necessary. A simple explanation that this link is a secure way for them to stay updated on their project status can be very reassuring. And there you have it. You've successfully created and shared a login or portal link in HoneyBook. Following these steps ensures your clients have the information they need right at their fingertips, enhancing the professional service you provide through HoneyBook. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials on maximizing your HoneyBook experience.